guys, good afternoon. It's too late. I vlog late. I made some cucumber and pork. I hope it turned out like lechon. So right now it's cooking, and that's it over there. I covered it. I will show you later when it's done. Yeah. So it's just really hot outside. And Dimple's coming. Dimples. The tree is still here, guys. It's almost December and still here. Hi, Dimps. That's Daddy's table. Come here, Dimps. Roxy's coming. Roxy's coming. This is what the pork looks like now. Oh God, it's hot. It's hot. Look. That's what it looks like now, and I'm watching also the show Turistas. It's kinda scary movie. It's like a tourist in Brazil and they end up gonna be killed. I'm done with my porky. That's a porky rope over there walking. Oh, it's right here, guys. It's kinda not crispy in the some of the side. I don't know why, but whatever. Over there is crispy. This is the bones, and that's small pork, and this is all the meat. It's a lot, guys. All the skin is here. It's so good, guys. Very good. Instead that there's no enough skin in it. The skin is our favorite, especially my husband. Good morning, guys. Good morning. I'm in the car. Yeah, my husband is there. Look. We can't bring the dog outside today because the neighbor is putting fence in our yard, but in between, you know, in the middle of the yard and our yard, there's a lot of stinky cheese here. It's stinky but yummy. Very stinky, guys. Like if you don't brush your teeth after eating this, you'll be like so stinky. So now my hand also stink. Can you move Roxy? Stinky, cheesy, stinky, cheesy. Okay. This is the cucumber. And where is the freaking chicken? But he have something to eat when he's at work because he doesn't eat properly. Keep buying food and it's not good. It's food. Just leave it here, hon. Leave it here. I'll wash it. Okay. I put the thing over there that your cheese won't like bounce all over the place, and it will. This is new wash, honey, okay? What are you you doing, hon?
I need a cutting board.
I can't put any cucumber here because it will, and at least unless if I put juice, no, separate the container, right? It's better that way, right?
Yeah.
Well, do you want cucumber with the juice in it? Of course.
Oh, good juice.
Yeah, but in here it's not locked. It's not like totally like locked. So I'm gonna put this small container first. What Tommy doing right now is cutting some stuff for the dog and the cat. Torqua. It's a torqua. I really like this cucumber salad, guys. It smells good. It smells so good. And Han, I put a lot of cheese in here, Han. I mean the 2 container that you got. I put it all because the cheese is the best. I can eat the whole cheese.
Well, you gotta tell them what kind of cheese.
There's mozzarella cheese. Small balls like this. It's nicer. There's bigger than this. I don't like it. It's too big.
Did he have an accent?
What do you want? You love your mother? You love me? Do you love mama? No. Do you love your mama so much? No, you do. He's staring at me. This is what he want, guys. Just keep staring at mama. What do you need? What do you want? What do you need? What do you want? You keep staring at me? Is that what you wanted? What do you want? What do you want? Is that what you are a cute little puppy? Roxy, what do you want, Roxy? What do you want? Do you want something? Do you want something? Roxy, do you want something? Stop it. Be quiet. You listen, okay? Hi guys, I am making some tinolang baka. I am making tinolang baka, bok choy, pichay, beef, and green onion. And here's the water with the ginger and the onion. I'm gonna wait until it boiled. I don't know if we have tomato here. If we have tomato, I will put the tomato in that. But I don't see any tomato, so I just let it tomato. My husband got a lot of parsley, and it went bad because he just keep getting stuff that he doesn't want to use. He buy it and he thought he will use it, so now it's like have yellow in it. But I don't want to throw it out, so I'm going to pick the one it's still good, and I'm gonna put it in the freezer. I forget to say bye in this video. I forgot to say goodnight, to say bye. But anyway guys, thank you guys so much for watching as always. And I always appreciate all the comments, for subscribing also into my channel, into this channel. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you have a good day. And I will see you in my next video. Tomorrow is my driving test. So yeah. Ciao guys. Hug, hug, hug. Group hug. Group hug. Group hug guys. Group hug. Anyway guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and I would like to say thank you. If you haven't subscribed yet in this channel, please do. I appreciate it much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.